Hello chemistry students, we're looking at the Boyle's Law lab today. It should say Investigation 13A at the top. And the question you're looking at is how are pressure and volume of a gas related? So keep in mind, when you're looking at pressure and volume, you're going to keep everything else constant. So the temperature of the room is going to stay the same, the amount of gas inside the syringe is going to stay the same. The only things that you're going to be looking at is changing pressure and volume. Okay, so when you set this lab up, this is all the equipment you're going to have at your table. You have a syringe, you have a tube that connects your syringe to the sensor, you have a gas pressure sensor, you have a power cord, and then you have the little computer here. And so I have everything taken apart just in case you find it this way. Yours may already be put together. Just put the power cord in. And go ahead and plug that in. And then you have to put the sensor in. Go ahead and put that in the spot that says sensor 1. And then go ahead and get your sensor or your computer on by holding this gray button. And you have to hold it for a couple seconds. And then you'll see the screen come on, and it'll take a few seconds to get that started. Then you're going to take your tubing and you're going to connect one piece to the sensor, to the gas pressure sensor. And then you can just sort of turn it so it's tight. And you're going to connect the other end to your syringe, like this. And then you're ready to start. So I'm going to just kind of talk you through step by step here. You are on to the back at this point where it says doing the experiment. The first thing it says is to set in meter mode. So on your little computer screen, you're going to choose meter mode. And then this time is going to be running, but don't really worry about that. Just let it go. The next thing you're going to do is says start the data collector and record the pressure to the nearest tenth for 12.0 milliliters in table 1. So I'm going to show you how this works, but I'm not actually going to let you see any of the data because I want you to find it out for yourself. So to get started, you could probably go ahead and undo this, and you want to set your syringe to 12. So it just slides in and out. And then I'm going to use the bottom of the top part of the plunger as my 12 marking, but you just want to be consistent. Wherever you call 12, make sure you always read it the same way. And then you sort of set that constant by pushing this inside of here. And so at that point, on your computer screen, you'll read what the pressure is, and you'll see that on the screen. And then all you do is you change the volume according to the data table. So you can go up to 16, and you could think about it. What do you think will happen when you take the given amount of gas inside the syringe and you increase the volume? Think to yourself, does that increase or decrease the pressure? And then you'll find out on the actual computer what the answer is. And you just sort of go 12, 16, it tells you to go to 18, 10, and 6, and record all those values in this chart right here. After that, you'll complete a graph and answer a few questions. So good luck, everybody.